Running late, heading to McDonald's for a fish fillet? Greg, no. Come on over, I got you. All right, I have my friend here, Greg, and he wanted McDonald's fish fillet.
Embarrassing. I love fish. I love fish. Look, Filet-O-Fish. Ever since I was a kid.
You loved it? Okay, we're gonna make it homemade. It's all ready to go. So we're gonna dump. That's the oat milk, a little lemon juice. We have our little seasonings. Yep, our relish and our capers. All right, go ahead and mix it up.
All right.
Like to cook, Greg?
I'm a trained chef.
Oh, what?
Well, I shouldn't say chef. I'm not a chef. I went to the Cordon Bleu.
You did?
I did. So
oh
I'm not
gosh.
a chef is somebody who spends their entire life in a kitchen.
Yeah,
I'm not that person.
Me neither.
I just like to eat.
I sure do too, actually.
Oh my gosh. That tastes just like their tartar sauce.
Okay,
oh
hey,
my god.
We're in. All right, next step. We
nailed it.
We nailed it. Okay.
Damn.
Keto wheat flour, 4 net carbs for a quarter cup. So we got baking powder, and then we got all our good seasonings. I mean, we have Old Bay, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I mean, you name it, it's in here. Celery salt, salt and pepper, and then we have our whisked eggs. So first, what I'm gonna have you do is put in the dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients.
Hook it up, minus not the protein powder.
Not the protein powder.
Perfect.
And
our seasoning's perfect.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna have you give it a nice little whisk.
Let's do that. Combine them, right?
Beautiful, yes. Yep, let's go mix it up.
I'm taking over Joyce's show here. What's up? All right.
Instead of having beer, where we add in calories and carbs, we're gonna
flavor.
What? No, we're doing liquid death, mountain water.
Oh, okay.
So this is gonna be our alternative. Okay.
Is that carbonated or no?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
So we're gonna do. It's nice. I think maybe like for sure half a cup it's gonna need.
It looks like beer going in. It's sparkling. It's foaming.
We need it to give you that pancake batter kind of like feel.
Yeah. We're getting there.
Okay, yeah, I think it needs a little bit more.
We're getting there.
Beautiful.
That's probably going to be good right
yep.
there.
I'm going to fry the fish.
Okay, so we're going to dredge this.
Here.
I know that when you're always working with frying stuff, you want a clean hand and a dry hand.
Yes.
Okay. And then we're going to go here. We're doing good?
Perfect. Right in there.
Okay.
Ooh.
Always lay it away from you.
Yeah.
Damn,
Ooh,
just
look,
like
oh,
that.
look. He's a professional. Like, you need to cook meat.
Cost me $30,000 to know that, folks.
Okay.
Hi, guys. It's Greg with the Crony. I'm taking over Joyce's show here today. We're going to... Oh, here she's back.
No, you go ahead.
Yes, chef. Hey, everybody. Stand back, doggies. Look at that. She's a pro. She puts a little puddle over to the side so it wouldn't splash.
Yeah.
See, but what I think with these is that, okay, so in my brain, I think, okay, this is low-cal. This is healthy, all that kind of stuff. So I can have more.
Yeah, that's what you can do. You can have 2 of these probably for the same of having 1.
You think?
So, yeah.
And you get more full too?
More fuller. You have protein. You have all the ingredients going on. Using these buns, they're keto buns, and they're 9 grams of protein per bun. Tell me, because I've never really officially. So, do you put tartar sauce on the actual bun, or is it they put the filet, they put the cheese, and then they put the tartar?
That's how I usually see it.
That right? That's how it is
done. It comes
done.
to you and you open it up. Yeah.
Cheddar.
Is it low fat or non-fat?
No, full cheddar. We
Regular
kept the full cheddar. Yeah, it's only 80 calories. Okay, and then
don't skimp on the cheese.
We don't want to skip unless we're gonna do Munster cheese, but I wanted to keep it very traditional, so you kind of have that vibe.
I like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more tartar sauce.
Okay.
I love the tartar sauce.
And we add our little bun, and
look at that.
This is.
So what's the official name for this?
No.
Low-fat Filet-O-Fish?
Yeah, low-fat Filet-O-Fish.
I guess.
Yeah.
It's quite soft, like the should I say the real one, or the one that we're all used to? Ooh. Okay, here we go. Totally. The fish that McDonald's uses is a little more fishy tasting. This one is very mild. The tartar sauce is dead on. This keto bun is soft. I mean, there's no crunch in a fillet of fish anyway, so it's soft, and then it gives you that instant nostalgic flavor to what you're eating. I love it. I wish the fish was a little bit more fishier tasting.
Yes, please, or is it no bueno?
Yes, please.
Okay, made you the Arby's Jamocha shake, so I want you to tell me what you think of it.
Are you serious?
Let's see how close I got to it. Actually, I've never had it.
The Jamocha shake at Arby's. Okay. You can tell it's a low calorie.
Okay.
But a fantastic alternative.
Okay, yay. Hey, that's all that matters to me. Yeah.
And it's sugar free?
And it's sugar free, all of it, even the chocolate and the whipped cream.
Wow. What? I'm moving in.
Yay!
This guy right here.
We did it. All right.
Did it. Okay, can I get this in to-go box? Please?
Yes. Yeah. All right.
I'm gonna finish this.
Okay. It's good? Yeah? Okay, good.